What's up, guys? I'll catch them all here once again with another unbreaking video, and I kind of got itchy today, so let's do a quick break. So we're gonna be doing some Rebel Clash, Sword and Shield, some Guardians Rising, and this last. So let me open these ones real quick. Ooh, I love opening packs. Let's open this one up. Yeah, so I tried uploading my other videos, but for some reason, you can't upload. And I actually uploaded videos which was pretty longer. And this time around it says, you can't. YouTube only does 15-minute long videos, which I do not understand, unless they just changed it recently. I don't know. We got those 6 packs and 5 of these. So let's go back and forth. Open these up real quick. Ooh, yes, white. Energy, Gliscor, Altar Moon, Altar Sun, Rockruff, Salandit, Murkrow, Snorunt, Patrat, Reverse Hollow Garbodor, and a Hollow Machamp. Oh, that's a new one. That looks nice. Okay. Let's do this one. This is actually the last 3-card pack. Nothing. Nothing at all. Let's go back to this one. It's not that good. Keeping that coat for myself. Energy. Marini, Sableye, Energy Lotto, Delibird, Rockruff, Salandit, Murkrow, Snorunt, Reverse Hollow, Kamala, and Probobass. Throw these ones on the side. Let's open this next. Wait, let's do this 15 minutes to see if this actually works. Nothing. Okay, so Guardians Rising. Oh. Is it one? Nope. One and done. Energy. That's cool. Okay, back to this. Roly-Poly, Reverse Hollow, Dragapult, Palpitoad. Okay. Making this all nasty. Is it code for me? Code for you. Ooh, look at that Graveler, it looks pretty cool. Cinder, Trubbish, Machop again, Rockruff again, Whalebur, Wish, Wish Cash, Reverse Hollow, and Trevenant. Alright, back to this one. Come on, let's hit. We didn't even hit anything. Come on, baby. Magikarp, Meditite, and Energy. Back to this one. Nothing yet. Trying to be quick about this. Boom. Is it white? Nope. It's just that one pack. Clefable. Cotton Sandslash Stuffle. Tentacle. Ooh. Alter Moon. Reverse Hollow. And a Honchkrow. Look at his whole gang with him. The last one of this pack. Another one. So look at that. It matches. Meditite, Energy. What the heck is this? Came with a booger. The hell. Okay, last pack of this one. Guardians Rising. Yes, it's white, and that's my saving that for me. Let's see what we got. Fire, Nugilotto, Hakumo, Rescue Stretcher, Carvanha, Barboach, Clefairy, Tentacle, Beldum, Reverse Hollow Wimpod, and Minior. It's the first time seeing that too. So that's the only hits we got out of that? Man. Nothing. Even. Okay, I know this is gonna hit. It always does. I shouldn't jinx it, but this always hits. Come on. Sword and Shield. Come on, take it out. Alright, and evolutions. Alright, let's go. Oh, I saw something good already. That's for me. I saw something good already. This. Corsair, Carabantula, Lanoon, Sobble, Vipa, Baltoy, Wooloo, Joltik, Reverse Hollow Egg. Nice! Snorlax VMAX, baby. Look at it. Oh, I dropped it a little. Look at this. Sweet. We hit a VMAX Snorlax. I've been wanting this card for the longest. Finally got it. Alright. That's what's up. See, it's always that 10. The 10 is the way to go. Every 10 never disappointed me at all. Never disappointed. That is going to be nice to... Alright, don't disappoint me. Evolutions. Come on. I know this could be something. No, there's nothing in this one. As you can tell. Save that for me too. I'm getting stingy. Saving it. Love them evolution code. Doug Trio, Macho, Trainer, Sandshrew, Ponytail, Magnemite, Pikachu. Look at that. Machop, and a Reverse Hollow Porygon. Nice. So, out of this whole thing, we only got this. This is the only hit we got. Snorlax VMAX. Nice. And like I always say, it could only be one. I mean, there's at least one. We didn't fail at all. We've always hit something good. And we opened up how many packs? 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. We opened up 13 packs. Should be at least a minimum of 15 to 20 for me, but wow, that is a hit. Finally, my Friday, you know, I'm finally off. Wow. VMAX Snorlax. That is a nice hit. This is like second to last hit too. Nice. I'm happy. No other hits that I like, but this is one of them. So I hope you like this video. Hope you like and subscribe. Comment. Let me know down below what more do you want to see. What more should I buy or try to buy? You know, because Pokemon nowadays, I mean, it's hard to find stuff, especially buying some of the good stuff, and it's really expensive now. And it's like, what was it? I'm trying to get Hidden Fates, maybe some Shining Legends. Try to get it for a good price. You know, not too much of a you know, $10 a pack or whatnot. But I mean, if I have to, I'll do it. But just let me know. I'm willing to buy something kind of expensive, but not too expensive. Well, until then, I'll catch them all. Signing out. Peace.